Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Godrej Properties' biggest plotted township new launch Godrej Panipat Estate located in Bangon GT Karnal Road, NH1 Expressway near Eldigo Paradiso, Sector 40 Panipat. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, plot sizes, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing sites where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. Godrej Panipat Estate will be constructed on 43 acres of land parcel that will have multiple plot sizes of 700 plots. Approx with all the uber luxury, 70 plus amenities and excellent connectivity. Now let's talk about the location and connectivity. Project is located in Panipat Sector 40, Panipat, Bangon GT Karnal Road, NH01 Expressway. Upcoming nearest rapid rail metro station, 5 minutes drive, Panipat Toll Plaza, 6 minutes drive, Tau Devi Lal Park, 8 minutes, Civil Hospital is 10 minutes drive from the project. And now speaking of amenities, project has ultra luxurious amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, forest cafe, garden, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now speaking of plot sizes, project has multiple sizes of plots available. One is 130 square yards, second is 140 square yards and third is 180 square yards. Some of the major USP of the projects are that here you will get plot on your name, means the ownership of the land will be transferred to you, unlike other plotted projects where they usually don't do it. Also here there is no time boundation on construction, means you will have complete freedom whether you want to construct the house in 1 year, 2 year or 5 year. Here you can construct stilt plus 4 floors. And the best part, Godrej Brand Trust, so you can be rest assured that your plot is safe in terms of legal assurance and there will be no encroachments etc. as the whole township will be managed by the Godrej Living itself. And now let's talk about the booking process. The booking window has opened. Clients can inquire about the township. The sales team will show the project's actual location, explain the complete project details, and they will also share the pricing and payment schemes. And then if the client likes the project, they can pre-book by paying a token amount of rupees 5 lakhs. Also, this token will have multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts, preference in inventory selection, which means token holders will be called first to choose their respective plot, and 100% fundable, means after giving the token, if the client doesn't want to move ahead for any reason, this token will be 100% refundable without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of Godrej Properties' biggest plotted township, new launch Godrej Panipat Estate, located Bangon GT Karnal Road, NH1 Expressway, near Eldigo Paradiso, Sector 40, Panipat.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.